Yeah. Wow. Okay, normally I do an introduction before I start the activity. This time I turned on the camera and captured it, and I would explain later. I saw Lock Fumbler's video short. Oh, hold on. All right. Welcome back to the second half of the video. You heard the doorbell ringing. Here's the reason for the interruption. My wonderful, lovely neighbor, after a request to give me whatever she could find in the way of locks, has brought over whatever she could dig up, and they look like, what do they call these, dimple locks? Wow, I got a whole bunch to work on now, baby. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's another one. 5, 6, 7. Ooh, 8 new toys. Oh yeah. This is going to gain me a lot of experience. She said some of these are stuck. Find out what's going on there. Here's one with another key. This one looks like it's seen better days. Oh, wow. I don't know what's going on there. I've got a whole lot of exploring to do and a whole lot of learning and locks to pick now. You know, now that I've got these, it's going to motivate me to learn how to pick on these. But when I bought this learner's kit, it did not come with flags, which I need to open these. And I've got this practice, so I'm going to start. This is going to motivate me to start practicing with this dimple lock. I think this is called a dimple lock. So got to get into that. And I need to invest in some flag picks to work on these, because these are what I call horizontal keys or side keys, whatever you want to call them. Cucumber sending me something. Picksmith's going to be sending me something. Of course, after the holidays, no hurries, no worries. And oh yeah, I've reached my allotment of quarters for the Parkinson's jar for donation to Michael J. Fox Parkinson's Research Foundation. So if I can get $20 a month, that'll be $80 come April. Or actually a little more. So I'm looking forward to that. 80 quarters per month. If I can do 80 quarters per month, that is a goal I've set for myself, to do 80 quarters per month. I'm looking forward to that. And that's a wrap. That's all for today. Shout out to my subscribers, and thanks for sticking with me, my Parkinson warriors. Hang tough. Every day, you got to go for those small victories, one day at a time. Love you all. Thank you very much. Good night.